Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Demon in Infinite Craft the fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one is we're gonna go for water and water. Right here, combine that in order for us to produce a lake. And then after that, we're gonna go for fire and fire in order for us to create a volcano right here. So once you have the volcano, is that you want to go and combine the two of them, you'll make an island. And after that, you want to go and combine another volcano and produce Hawaii. And then from here, you're gonna go with water and earth to produce plant, and then combine this to produce pineapple. And then after that, you want to go and add water into it, and then add water again right here, and you produce a lemonade. And then the next one is we're gonna go put earth right here, and we're gonna go combine with fire, and then add a lake right here, and put plant into that to make a lily. And then we're gonna make another earth, and we're gonna combine it with wind, and then we're gonna combine this with lily right here, and we'd have angel, and we're gonna put lava into angel right here, and we'd have devil. And then from here, all we have to do is basically just go and produce another devil and combine it right here, and we'd have the demon. Now actually this is already irrelevant, so you can just delete that. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.